Hello and welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex and this is my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with a yoga class that requires no props and all levels are welcome to enjoy. We're going to begin in a seated position, any way that's comfortable. Sit up tall. Close the eyes for a moment. Shift your focus to the breath. Relax the muscles of your face. Relax your eyelids. Be present. Try not to think about what you were doing before or about what you want to do later. And as the mind wanders and thinks, just be aware and bring those thoughts back to this moment, this inhale, this sensation. Let's blink the eyes open, and on an inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Lift up, reach up. Exhale, bring the hands down through center. Commit to being present. Let's bring our feet out in front of us, about hip width. Feet hip width. Feet are to be flat. You might lift them up a little bit. One hand on each knee. We're going to cat-cow from here. Inhale, arch the back. You might not feel a huge range of motion. That's okay. And exhale, round. Readjust the grip as needed. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round. Once more. Round. Sit up. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees apart. Hold the outside edges of the feet. Roll the shoulders back and down. And fold over butterfly legs. Don't need to push yourself too far. Just observing where you are, knowing that each sensation will take you somewhere else. And sit up. Cross your feet at the ankles, roll over the knees, tabletop. 1 cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Ooh, my back just popped doing that. Exhale, round. Neutral. Extend the right leg back and lift the leg hip height, knee faces down. Let's bend the right knee and then draw a circle with the knee. It's kind of like a square. Pretend it's, try to round out the edges, out, down, back, and around. Soft bend in the elbows to help you to keep the torso where you want it to be. Bring the right leg up between the hands. We're in a kneeling lunge. And lift up onto fingertips. As you shift the hips forward, keep the front knee over the ankle. Draw in the core to feel a little bit extra in the left hip flexor. Step a little bit into the right foot to help you establish some awareness of alignment. and to not just sink in too much. Lift out, sit back, all the way back. We're in a half split. You could stay standing on the left knee if you'd like that. Right leg is extended. Let's lengthen out over the right leg. If this is too much on the left knee, you can sit on a pillow. And the right leg does not have to be completely straight. Just take your time. Lift out, shift your weight forward, back to a kneeling lunge. We're going to add a twist. Lean on the left hand, right hand on top of the right leg. We're going to press down to rotate the middle upper back. And come back to a tabletop. One round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Round exhale. Neutral. Left side. Left leg back. I think I'm directly on top of a big old pine cone. Yep. Ew. That one's like jammed into the mud. All right, left leg is up. I'll just feel. Bend the knee and draw some circles. Man, these daily videos. I'm getting comfortable, right? Okay. Move out, down and around. Maybe it makes you guys like me more. We must be about 10 minutes in because that's when I start talking. Bring the left foot between the hands for our kneeling lunge. Lift up onto your fingertips. Draw in the core as the hips start to open. And remember that gentle step into the left leg will help just bring some awareness to where everything's going. Half split. Lift up, sit back. Sit up tall. And fold over the left leg. Okay. Lift up, shift the weight forward for our kneeling lunge twist. Right hand down, left hand on top of the knee, rotate. And bring the left hand back down. Back to a tabletop. One round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Round, exhale. Neutral. Sit back, bring the feet out and around in front of you. Again, soles of the feet together, knees apart. Hold the outside edges of the feet and fold over butterfly legs. See if you have that much more space to fold now that you've been working on the hips and legs for a few rounds of breath. sit up. We're going to lie down on our backs. Full body stretch, reach the arms overhead, flex the feet, heels reach away from you. And knee in. Squeeze the leg in close. You should feel some pressure on the hip flexor. Release some of that hold and twist. Guide the right leg across to the left. Right arm reaches out and away, palm down, unless that bothers the shoulder. And release. Let's switch sides. Full body stretch. And then left knee in. And twist. Use the breath to encourage opening across the chest into the shoulder. And back to center. Extend the arms overhead, reach the legs so far away from you. Sit up, arms overhead, and fold over both legs. Seated forward fold. Sit up. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Left arm up and over, side body stretch. And lift up. Let's just go straight to the other side. Right foot in, left foot out. Right arm up and over. Remember not to dip forward. Keep this in the side body. You might even imagine you're leaning back a little bit. That's what I just did, and it felt different. It felt good. And lift up. Bring the left foot in. My neck just popped so much. Roll the head and neck around. Roll out the wrists, the upper body, get into the torso. It's just a time to explore, kind of feel what crept up as you smoothed out all the tension in your body. And inhale, reach the arms above your head. Exhale, float them down, twist to the right. Inhale through center, arms reach up. And twist to the left. Closing breath through center. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, hands down. Close the eyes for a moment. Relax the temples, the eyelids. Breathe. amazing. I am so grateful for your presence. Before opening the eyes, let's be aware that we'll be able to feel the light as it re-enters, as we re-emerge back to the day, a better person. Go ahead, open up the eyes. Breathe. There's a squirrel behind the camera. And namaste. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. Namaste. Ooh, that was an exciting class. That dog walked by. I don't know if I'm going to include that. Maybe I will at the end where I see the dog, because this video will get a little editing, I think. And then that squirrel came at the end. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you enjoyed this class, if you are enjoying and participating with me in this daily yoga class thing. I like the routine. So I'm doing this for everybody. Add me on Instagram. I've been showing more on there for just behind the scenes kind of things. Like that squirrel I'm probably going to go find and take a picture of and put there. And thank you so much for your presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Namaste.